Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Marcus. This is an introduction video about this channel. In this channel, I would like to share my experience in Unity, programming, and hardware design. Why do I want to do this? Well, the story begins not so far from now. I was trying to connect my apps to AWS using the official SDK. Then I found that the SDK does not work in Unity 2019. I tried to find the solution from Google and YouTube as usual, but this time I spent a lot of time combining the answer to solve it. Also, I found that there are so many posts asking the same question but end up with no answer. So I post the solution on my webpage and reply to those posts. After that, someone left me a thank you comment on my page. I feel that I have learned a lot of things from the internet, so maybe this is my turn to offer some tutorials. So please let me introduce myself here to see if my experience interested you. So, sounds like I am a software engineer, but indeed, I was an electronic engineering student at university. It was about hardware design like circuit design and firmware design using the C program or assembly. I chose learning this because I like electronic toys at that time. However, after I graduate, my job is much more serious than I think. Like building a logistics system for the government, ISO 13485 medical device for rehabilitation. I learned a lot of technical stuff in my job. For example, I learned C# to let my device connecting to the computer, learn Java and Objective-C for connecting to the smartphone, learn JavaScript and Nodes for hosting a server or web page, using Kubernetes to check something, using Firebase or AWS for lots of great stuff. I like those jobs because I like to learn, and the jobs could support my life with my wife and 2 kids. But if you ask me, do I enjoy my job? Not exactly. I think I want more fun in my job. And one day, I met the game engine, Unity. It surprised me that I could use Unity to build a game very easily even I'm not a software engineer. Moreover, I could reuse my C# code in Unity to connect my device. Then I used Unity to build an app for my son. I also upload the apps to the store to generate advertising revenue. So, if you are interested in anything that I mentioned, please subscribe to my channel. Press like if you like this video. You may also leave me some comments if you have something specific want to know. In my next video, I will talk about how I built my first app with advertisement. Hope I can see you there.